Stop by and take a look at the 2006 Grand Prix. The Grand Prix has come a long way since its original introduction in the early 1960s. But one thing that hasn't changed over the years is the Grand Prix's quality-built, powerful performance. With either a V6 or V8 engine and a driver-friendly cockpit, the Grand Prix is a fun ride. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, daytime running lights, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, child seat anchors, power steering, cargo area light. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.